What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I am going to show you how to promote ClickBank links for free. I will show you step by step everything how to promote ClickBank products link for free, and you will get unlimited traffic, and unlimited traffic means unlimited commission, and I will show you step by step everything. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you all the tricks, all the tweaks, all the marketing strategies, everything inside this video. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JBJu, and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to promote ClickBank affiliate links for free, and it's a ClickBank tutorial step by step. So if you are a beginner, if you are an expert, if you are a newbie, it doesn't matter. I will show you the exact method, the proven method that will help you to make ClickBank commission, and you can get unlimited ClickBank commission for free. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. But first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing. So if you want to make money from online for a long time, for a lifetime, then subscribe my YouTube channel, and I assure you, you never be disappointed why I am subscribing this YouTube channel. And you see here, I am uploading videos in the daily basis and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here, I try to show all the best things, all the proven and workable methods inside my YouTube videos. So guys, you can subscribe my YouTube channel for your long-term affiliate marketing, online marketing journey. And inside my YouTube channel, I try to provide traffic method, marketing strategies in JBJu, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and any other high ticket programs. So every video, every method are workable and proven inside my YouTube channel. So guys, don't miss this YouTube channel and any videos inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Inside my video description, you will get this join 6-figure number on business model. It's a newbie friendly educational training program for making big money online. You can click here, and if you want to get unlimited traffic, 8 unlimited traffic sources from Russell Brunson, the number one internet marketer, number one online entrepreneur, you will get this traffic secret for 8 proven traffic for a lifetime. So guys, let's check into my computer and see all the method. Don't miss any part of this method, and I will show you everything in just 3 steps. Step number 1, you have to create an ClickBank account. Step number 2, you have to choose the best products, and step number 3, I will show you how to get unlimited free traffic for promoting ClickBank products. Okay guys, so let's check it. So you have to create your ClickBank account first. So guys, visit ClickBank. You see here is the home page of ClickBank, the giant of digital marketing marketplace. It's ClickBank. You see here, sign up, just simply click here, sign up, and it's totally free. Select your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number based on your country, then your email address, your password, and click to term and conditions and click here, just join ClickBank, and you need 2 days to get approval. And if you have already ClickBank account, it's fine, you can start this method from right now today. So guys, If you have ClickBank account, then don't waste your time, follow this method and apply this method. Okay, now so guys, step number 1, you have to create an ClickBank account. Okay, now you have to choose the best product for promoting, and in this method I will show you a different way, a different product to promote of ClickBank products. And you see here, it's the marketplace of ClickBank. Thousand products are available inside this ClickBank product. A lot of categories. You see here, art and entertainment, betting system, business, investment, computer, internet, cooking, food and wine, e-business and e-marketing, education, employment and jobs, fiction, games, green products, health and fitness, home and gardening. A lot of product inside this digital marketplace designed ClickBank. So you have to choose your best product, and you see here, it's the step number 2. You have to choose the best product, and you see all the categories here, or you can search your find product just typing your keyword. Okay, so in this method I will show you how to promote cooking products. You see here, cooking, food and wine, and in this method I will show you how to promote cooking products, and it's one of the popular best selling products all over the world. So there is no country limitation, there is no age limitation, there is no people limitation. Everyone can buy cooking books, cooking recipes. So you can easily promote, you can easily make sales if you can promote cooking recipe books or recipe items. And for this, visit this cooking, food and wine, and you have to find the best product according to gravity. I personally like it according to gravity, then rebuild. I try to, at first I focus on gravity when I choose any ClickBank product, then rebuild. So you have to find the gravity. You see here the popularity. You see here the keto research. You see 99.95 gravity here, 99.95 gravity here. Then keto sweets, a lot of products here, and you have to choose any of the product. And at first mind it, you have to focus on gravity. Gravity means how much affiliate sell this product, promote this product. And you see here 99 affiliates sell this product. So you can say you can also promote this product and make sales promoting this product, because it's a proven product for selling. Okay, now if suppose you promote this keto research. Okay, and for getting all the affiliates info, you go here, this affiliate resource, and you will get all about this keto research. And before promoting this product or any other product, obviously read the affiliate page, read the affiliate resource. A lot of info inside this affiliate resource, and you obviously read to this affiliate page. Okay, for getting about more about this product. Okay, so guys, click this promote for getting your link. You see here, it's my affiliate link. Now I am ready to promote this keto research cooking recipe or cooking book, and you can copy this link and paste this link into your notepad for getting instant access of this link. Okay, for you see here, it's a big link and it's looks like, oh, so you can tiny your URL, you can easily tiny your URL. Just copy this link, paste this tiny URL, and make tiny URL, or you can customize your tiny URL name. Suppose you can let keto re 2020. Okay, make tiny URL. You see here, it's your affiliate link, and you have to promote this link. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can promote this link for free. So guys, if you are interested in ClickBank commission, then comment in the comment box, I earn ClickBank commission. And if you can comment and if you face any other problems, then you also can comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply you to your question, to your queries, and I am always here to solve your problems. And if you are interested in for making ClickBank commission, then comment in the comment box, I earned ClickBank commission, and it will help me to get more and more response from you and others. Okay guys, so it's your affiliate link for promoting this link, and it's the step number 3, get unlimited free traffic. And traffic is the key to online success. If you have traffic, then you can make sales. If you don't have traffic, then you never can make money online. I guarantee you, no software, no method, no training will help you to make money online. You have to work for the traffic. If you can generate traffic, then you can make sales. This step number 1 and this step number 2 is easily, and it's you can anyone can do it, but where is your traffic? So you have to work for the traffic. Creating ClickBank account and finding products isn't your task, it's a task of kids. Any kids can do it, but you have to do for the traffic. If you have traffic, then you can generate sales, otherwise you never generate sales. So guys, work for the traffic and follow all the steps what I do for getting traffic, for promoting this link and make sales from ClickBank. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel guys. It's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel is more and more better than any other Warrior Plus products or any other on-to-one coaching sales. I don't like those type of software, those type of training, and I assure you, you must get a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So guys, don't miss it, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, now let's start this step number 3, get unlimited traffic. And for this I use this social media platform, it's Medium. Don't be afraid. You can say, hey Raju, Medium suspend accounts, Medium can't provide the affiliate link. Okay, I know it, but I will show all the tricks, all the clues, all the points how to promote inside Medium. If you want to promote your affiliate links inside Medium, then you have to follow all the rules of Medium. But mind it, don't use make money related product. Don't try to promote make money related products inside Medium. In 90% case, your account will be banned. And inside Medium, when you market inside Medium, mind it, you have to you have to do you have to help other people. So your helping is 80%, okay, and marketing is 20%. So your approach, your works, your task, everything for helping others, that other people will like your post and they love it, they like it, they share it, and inside your post just 20% marketing, that's enough. Okay, that's enough. Don't use unwanted affiliate links inside Medium post, then your account will be suspended. And before starting Medium, you just read the Medium rules and regulation. You will get the help. Inside the settings, you will get all the rules regulation of Medium, and I recommend you to follow all the rules and don't use unwanted affiliate links. And mind it, helping is 80% and marketing is only 20%, and this 20% is enough to make sales. Okay, and it's a food and cook recipe, and a lot of people love inside Medium for cooking, fooding, and for this reason this method is cook. But if you can follow all the methods, but if you want to promote make money related products inside Medium, then health and weight loss related product inside Medium, then I can't assure you your account will be okay, and anytime your account will be suspended. But for this reason I want to say you follow all of this method. Try to follow this method. Don't want to promote other products, other resources, then I can't assure you your account will be suspended or not. So it's your own risk. But if you promote cooking foods, cooking recipes inside here, then I assure you your account maybe will be okay, and you can easily promote your products. But helping 80% and marketing 20%. Just marketing as a simply just marketing here. Try to help other people's about cooking, and just marketing is 20%. Okay, now you have to post inside this Medium related cooking recipes. Now you can ask me, hey Raju, I don't know how I can post, and from where I can get the resource in that I will post in Medium. I don't have any resource. I can't. I have no ideas about cooking. Then how can I make cooking related post? Okay, and for this reason I am here. I'll share all the tricks here. And at first you see there this website plrminds.com, and you have to log in here. It's a free. You can you see here it's the freebies, all the free ebooks inside here, a lot of free ebooks, free videos, free templates here, and you need free ebook or free videos. Free ebook will be the best, and you can easily download your free ebooks here related cooking and foods, and you can make post those posts. It's all the PLR products, so you can use it. So make those posts inside Medium. You don't need to get search result or rank on Google in Medium. A lot of member inside Medium, and they will read your post. Okay, so if you don't get rank on Google, it doesn't matter. You a lot of people, a lot of member inside Medium, and a lot of reader inside Medium, a lot of buyer inside Medium. So you have to post regularly here. Okay, so it's one of the source for getting your cooking related content, and another is Fiverr. And you see here cooking book articles. If you search these cooking book articles, then you will get a lot of geeks here. And you see here I will send you 15 cooking PLR videos, articles, photos, and more just for 5. And I recommend you just buy invest or just cost $5 and $10 for making a lot of PLR content inside Fiverr. And you see here is 1500. Then you see here I will give cooking recipe, emails, PLR ebooks, articles, videos. Then you see here I will write unique recipe, cooking articles, or food blogs for 5. So just invest $5 or $10 for getting a lot of content about cooking. So search in Google, search in Fiverr this cooking book article, and you will get a lot of geeks here. Choose any geeks and get a lot of content inside here. Then you can easily post inside Medium. Okay, so there is no excuse. So after getting your content, you have to go this medium.com and click here, and you see here new stories. Just click this new stories, and here is your title. I already download a book. You see here, it's the delicious orange recipes collection of easy make orange recipes. So I can easily make this title. Here is font problem. Okay, then collection of easy orange recipes. So you just copy and paste this article where you will get from this PLR and Fiverr, and just make it the title. Okay, I again try it. That is the title. Then tell a story, and you have to post here. You can add image inside medium, then you can bold your, suppose I copy it. You can do everything, all this. You can bold it, you can bold your writing, then you can add your affiliate link. Just click here and paste your affiliate link here. After all the completing your post, you have to copy, just copy and paste, just copy and paste like this. Just like this, copy and paste, and equally just put this post, and finally you can get a call to action, get the best recipe books. You have to get all the resource about this affiliate resource file, and you will get all about this product, and you can add a just one or two affiliate link inside this post, and finally publish this post. That's okay, and you don't need to do anything. If your post is okay, then sometimes you will get rank on Google, and most of the times you don't get rank on Google, but it doesn't matter. A lot of customer inside medium, and they are ready to buy your products. So guys, that's it, and finally published it, and that's it. Just make a post and regularly make post, and you will get a lot of content. So there is no lackings of contents, a lot of contents inside here, and this free PLS sites. So guys, that's it. So guys, all these three steps has been completed. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. You can easily apply all those three methods, and you can make ClickBank commission for free. So guys, if this video helped you, then like this video, and if you have any questions, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, online marketing. So if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter. If you don't know from where you should start your online journey, or if you want to long run your online journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel and watch all the videos inside my YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. You see here a lot of helpful content in various categories: traffic, marketing, ClickBank, JPJ, CPA, everything inside this. YouTube channel, so you never be disappointed. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Inside this video description you will see here, join the 6-figure business model, and you see here and get this unlimited free traffic, and you will get this free traffic source inside my video description. So guys, now I want to say the key facts of this method. Okay, mind it, follow it, and maintain it. You have to post regularly. Okay, the number on, you have to post regularly. Then number 2, don't use unwanted or useless affiliate link. Okay, mind it. Number 2, don't use unwanted or useless affiliate link. Number 3, don't violate any rules of medium. Okay, and number 4, helping is 80% and marketing is 20%. Okay, and number 5, don't want overnight success, because online marketing is not possible in overnight. If it's possible, then everyone can make money online, but only 20% people make money online because they have patience. But if you want hurry result, quick result, overnight result, then it's not possible. So guys, follow and maintain all those key facts of this method, all those 5 key facts of this method. You have to post regularly, you don't use any unwanted and useless affiliate link, don't violate any rules of medium, helping is 80%, marketing is 20%, and don't want overnight results. Okay, so guys, that's it. And don't forget to like this video, comment this video, and share this video, and it will inspire me to make more and more helpful content inside my YouTube channel that will help you to make big money online for a lifetime, for a long time. So guys, that's it. See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos, and new updates. So guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye.